thinking I got, movie or ticket book.
Yeah, very high aspiration, clearly.
I don't know whether I will go away. Only over there.
Why are you taking image of her hiccuping?
Nobody.
She knows you're taking holiday.
Yes.